Good morning, students. So, today we will start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 3, Plant Kingdom. Okay? So, as we have studied in the chapter number 2, Biological Classification, R.H. Whittaker divided the organisms into 5 main kingdoms, 5 main groups: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. Up till fungi, we have discussed in the previous chapter, and now the plant kingdom here we will study in detail. So let us continue with it, students. So first of all, we will see how these plants they are divided. The plant is the kingdom, and its subkingdoms are cryptogamy and phanerogamy. These are the subkingdoms. Now, cryptogamy means what happens? The sex organs they are embedded in the thallus. The main body is thallus here. So sex organs they are embedded there. While in the phanerogamy, the sex organs they are exposed. We are talking about plant kingdom. Understood? Now, the seeds and flowers they are not formed here in the case of cryptogamy. Neither the seeds are formed nor the flowers are formed here. But in the phanerogamy, seeds formation to hogi sab mein. But flowers they will be formed only in the angiosperms. The flowers they will be formed only where the angiosperms. Now let us talk about the divisions. So divisions of the cryptogamy and phanerogamy. So under cryptogamy, it is Thallophyta. The members of Thallophyta they are generally called as algae. Bryophyta, generally the members they are called as bryophytes. And Pteridophyta, the members are pteridophyte. Then under phanerogamy, the two divisions they are coming. One is gymnospermy and another one is angiospermy. Now let us talk about the classes. So Thallophyta is having 3 classes: chlorophyce, green algae; phaeophyce, brown algae; rhodophyce, red algae. Similarly, in the bryophytes, there is Hepatocopacida, Anthoceropacida, and Bryopacida. So these are the 3 classes of Bryophyta. Then Pteridophyta, Psilopacida, Lycopsida, Sphenopsida, and Pteropsida. P is silent, so it is Pteropsida. Then, if we study the gymnosperm, if we see the gymnosperms, the main classes are Psychopsida, Coniferopsida, and Nitopsida. See, beta, here can be Nitopsida, Nitophyta. Some of the books they are saying Nitophyta, some they are saying Nitophyales. इस तरह से there are different names, but no need to panic. It is okay. Classes are Psychopsida, Coniferopsida, Nitopsida. Okay. Angiospermy are having 2 classes: dicotyledony and monocotyledony. Example of these members, these classes, we will study when we will do the divisions in detail. So let us start with the classification. Now, early attempts for the classification they were done by the Aristotle. Early attempts for the classification they were done by the scientist Aristotle. This I have already told you in the chapter 2, biological classification, that he had divided the organisms, living organisms, into plants and animals. Plants on the basis of their habit, they were divided into herbs, shrubs, and trees, and the animals on the basis of presence and absence of RBC, they were divided into anemia and anemia. Anemia and anemia, the organisms they were divided. Like anemia, the RBC was absent. Anemia, the RBCs were present. ठीक है? Now Charaka Charaka is called as the father of Ayurveda. Charaka, in his book Charak Samhita, he has enlisted 200 types of animals and 340 types of plants. Okay. Now let us talk about the artificial system of classification. Now we are talking about the plants. Okay. The artificial system of classification, basis, on what basis the artificial system of classification was done? It was done on the basis of morphological characters. Morphology means the external features. They were utilized here. Like vegetative characters, they were used. What type of stem is there, what type of fruit is there, what type of leaves are present in the plant. So these are the vegetative structures. Along with it, the reproductive structures, they were observed. Like floral parts of the plant, like stamens and carpels. फूल में प्रेजेंट है, तो फूल में जो हमें दिख रहे हैं स्टेमन किस तरह के हैं, कार्पल किस तरह के हैं, क्या वो फ्यूज्ड हैं, क्या वो फ्री हैं, क्या वो अकेले हैं, क्या वो मतलब वो साथ में है. तो वो सारी चीजें यहाँ पे मॉर्फोलॉजिकल कैरेक्टर्स को देखा गया था. वेजिटेटिव कैरेक्टर्स में टाइप ऑफ स्टेम रूट एंड लीव्स देखा गया और रिप्रोडक्टिव में स्टेमन और कार्पल्स देखे गए हैं. ठीक है, they were the basis of this particular system. Now what are the who were the scientists associated with the artificial system of classification? First name comes the Theophrastus. Beta, please keep this in your mind. It is not, I am not saying that he was the first scientist who used the artificial system of classification. Such type of question do not come. The question which may come in your exam or particular competitive exam, कि the scientists who are associated with the artificial system of classification, उन scientists का नाम आ सकता है. ऐसे कभी नहीं आएगा इन सब में से पहला साइंटिस्ट कौन था जिसने सबसे पहले आर्टिफिशियल सिस्टम ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन दिया था, ऐसा नहीं आता है. ठीक है. नाउ पायनियर वर्क, पायनियर का मतलब इनिशियल वर्क, सबसे जो स्टार्टिंग का जो वर्क है, दैट वाज डन बाय थियोफ्रास्टस. ठीक है. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ हैबिटेट, on the basis of habitat, he has also divided the plants into trees, undershrubs, shrubs and herbs. भैया हमने थोड़ी देर पहले अरिस्टोटल की डिवीजन देखी थी, उसने प्लांट को डिवाइड किया था ट्रीज, श्रब्स और हर्ब्स में. अब थियोफ्रास्टस ने क्या किया, अंडर श्रब्स भी ले ली, श्रब्स के ऊपर थोड़े से और जो थोड़ी सी वुडी है और थोड़ी सी ब्रांचेस बुशी टाइप अपीयरेंस दे रहे हैं, पर ट्री से कम है. ठीक है. तो एक नया यहाँ पे उसने डिवीजन दे दिया, एक ग्रुप दे दिया अंडर श्रब्स. किसने? थियोफ्रास्टस ने. एरिस्टोटल की बात करते हैं, हमने पढ़ा है. अब नाउ वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द नेम ऑफ साइंटिस्ट्स ओनली, बिकॉज़ बेसिस ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन वाज सेम फॉर ऑल दीस साइंटिस्ट, है ना. एरिस्टोटल, बोहेन, प्लिनी एंड एल्डर. एरिस्टोटल, बोहेन, प्लिनी एंड एल्डर. Now Linnaeus. About Linnaeus, let us talk about Linnaeus gave the sexual system of classification in his book The Genera Plantarum. Linnaeus gave the sexual system of classification under his book Genera Plantarum, and we are talking about only the artificial system of classification. बच्चे ठीक है ना? So why he used the name a sexual system of classification for under the artificial system classification? Because he used sexual features which are present in the angiosperms. ठीक है. On the basis of nature and number of the stamen and carpel. फिर stamen carpel हमें दिखते हैं बेटा, basis तो वही रहा, but इसने sexual system of classification क्यों किया? क्योंकि इसने sexual parts को consider किया. ठीक है. On the basis of nature and number of stamens and carpels, he divided plants into 24 classes. First to 23rd classes are the flowering plants. Okay, the first two जो आपके 23rd classes हैं, पहली 23 classes, they are all flowering plants और उनको उसने नाम दे दिया Phanerogamia. नेमिंग टू द क्लास, ठीक है, किस तरह से दी गई थी, क्लासेस को किस तरह से नाम दिए गए थे, जो ये 33 क्लासेस थी, हाउ दे वर नेम्ड. इफ ओनली वन स्टेमन इज प्रेजेंट तो बोला मोनोएंड्रिया, बिकॉज एंड्रोशियम से रिलेटेड है, और अगर दो स्टेमन प्रेजेंट है तो डायएंड्रिया. दिस इज हाउ ही नेम्ड दी क्लासेस, फर्स्ट 23 classes. The 24th class represents the non-flowering plants, जिनमें flowers नहीं होते हैं, like gymnosperms, और वो होगी क्रिप्टोगैमिया. ठीक है, तो उसने इनको नाम दे दिया क्रिप्टोगैमिया. तो क्रिप्टोगैमिया are those flowers or those particular plants where the flowers are absent. He named them as cryptogamia. Now, what were the drawbacks of this system, particular artificial system? This was not based upon the phylogeny. What do we mean by phylogeny, beta? Phylogeny means evolutionary relationship, evolutionary history, phylogeny. Then the scientists, they gave equal importance to the vegetative and reproductive characters. Equal importance to the vegetative as well as reproductive characters was given by the scientists for the classification system.